Number 16, Surah Al-Nahl, ayat number 29.
فادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فلبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
So enter the gates of hell to stay there forever. Indeed, what an evil home for the arrogant. Message from this ayat. Just as human bodies get sick, so do human hurts. Physical diseases are much easier to treat than spiritual diseases. The most dangerous spiritual disease that affects the heart is the disease of arrogance and ego. That is, a person begins to think that he is superior to others because of his wealth, because of his educational degrees, and because of his job and business. And one type of arrogance is a pride which has no personal distinctions behind it. This is the worst kind of arrogance and ego. It is mentioned in the Holy Hadith, person will not be able to enter the paradise, whose heart even has an iota of arrogance and ego. The method of righteous people was that whenever they felt the slightest suspicion of arrogance in themselves, then they immediately started treating it. Jalilul Qadr Sahabi Abdullah bin Salam was once walking through the market with the help of a stick. It was said to him, "Has not Allah spared you from it?" He said, "Why not? But the real thing is that I wanted to crush the arrogance within me."